But pretty much I wake up and this is how it looks. I wake up like this. I wake up like this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Natasha. For those of you guys that are new, welcome. For those of you guys that are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Please just take a second to subscribe down below. Turn on your bell notifications. That way you can know when I post videos. It means a lot to me because that's the only way to support me in my channel. So thank you for doing that. And in today's video, I am going to give you guys a eyebrow update. Basically the healed version of me doing my retouch. So if you guys don't know, I did my eyebrows back in January of last year. I micro shaded my brows and I actually did a video on my whole experience and the whole healing process. So if you guys want to take a look at that, the link is right here. And then I recently did my retouch and the video as well of the actual process of me getting it done is also right here. And like I mentioned, today I'm here to show you the final healed version. So these are my brows. I am super happy with the outcome. So after my retouch, I had a 2-week healing process where I could only take 5-minute showers. I had to cleanse with Cetaphil every day and every night. And then I also had to put Aquaphor as ointment on my brows. And so after those 2 weeks, my brows were ready. They had peeled and they looked really good. And so they started growing out. And this is the video that I'm going to show you of all the hair that grew. I hadn't touched them at all. I hadn't tweezed, I hadn't waxed or anything. And so I grew it out the most I could because then I wanted to go to my eyebrow lady who waxes my brows. And so this video that I'm about to show you is the before of right after my retouch, how my brows grew. As you can see, there's a lot of hair, especially right underneath the brow, very minimal up top. And again, my right brow grows a lot more than my left one. It always happens that way. There's one that grows more than the other. And so I definitely needed to go and get it done. It was about time. So I went to my brow lady and I got my eyebrow wax. And now I'm about to show you the final version, which you can obviously see here, but I'm going to show you a close-up of what it looks like and how clean, crisp, and just delicious it looks. Like, I know it's weird to say delicious, but my brows have never been this dark and this full before. And the reason for that is because I got them micro shaded. And so look at my brow. You know, now that they're fully cleaned, you can tell how nicely they've healed. You can tell that they're pretty dark, but they look natural. They don't look too fake. You know, they're shaped nicely. And honestly, the girl that micro shaded my brows did amazing. She takes her time in really making sure that she creates the shape that you want. So honestly, I would recommend her 1000%. And actually, one of my friend's mom already got her eyebrows micro shaded, and another one of my friends is going to get hers this upcoming week. So comes to show that people do find her work really good after seeing me get it done. And I'm super happy that I no longer have to shade in my brows as hard as I used to. When I do wear makeup, I do shade it in lightly just because I feel like it looks a little dull once I put makeup on, and so it needs a little bit of color, a little bit of oomph, like I like to say, some sass in there. And so that's all I have to do. A little bit goes a long way. So I just wanted to do this quick video because I realized that I never showed you guys the final look. So this is it. I hope that you guys like these eyebrow videos and that you truly get something out of it, and that if you are thinking of getting your eyebrows micro shaded, it is so worth it. My number one tip is to do your research. Make sure that the person that you're going to is credible, does a great job, has a lot of clients under her belt, and that ultimately it's gonna look the way you want them to look. Because again, it's for you, and so you want to make sure you're completely happy with the person that you're choosing to do your brows. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below. Let me know if you guys have gotten your brows micro shaded or if you're thinking about it. Ask me any questions. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other video suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comment box below. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah!